top of the day, guys. This is yard as is Jamaica yard light more active, and you know the energy go. Here I get some water. Yeah man. See if we can put away a few just with that time of the day when the water gone. But anyway, it's a blessed Monday as usual. This is yard as is no preservative, no additive, all natural. Come my yard man. Have a thing or two. Just want to share with y'all a little chit chat. Yeah, man. As I said from before, just for y'all to get to know me a bit more. Come on, y'all. You guys see if we can get some food in the tank. Yeah guys, so what happened now? I end up getting some Chinese food. Yeah man. So I ended up putting it in the fridge for a day like today when I feel like not cooking. Yeah man. Yeah man, I do appreciate all y'all that pop by. Yeah man, one love guys. Blessings and blessings abundant. Today is just one of them days where you know me already, always you know, freelance. That is. So I just invite you all along to, you know, chit chat to a few, just a few. Yeah man. So today I ride and whistle guys. We're riding and whistling. At the moment. See if we can get them mere bottles filled full with water. Yeah man. Once you have water in the pipe, you have to make use of it. The seasons are a bit dry at the moment. Yeah man. I trust that you all up and active and feeling fine on your side of the world. My apologies for not having on the top guys, you know me always I do the honors of explaining. Living in a tropical climatic zone and the time is very hot. Yeah man. So you know the energy come down. There yeah, there is a cool down. Just powered in from work and decided to just, you know, invite you all along to come soak up some of the hard energy. Yeah man. As we said, I have a few things to chit chat with you all about. Well, just share my knowledge or insight or my experiences throughout life. Yeah man. You know, it's not always a bed of roses, you know. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Yeah man. But I figure more or less if I share the moments where, you know, things a bit rough around the edges and when things nice, yeah, will understand more. You see me? Because to be honest with you, to be honest guys, I have the understanding that in this time and age, it's not everyone wants to see you progress. But you know, you can only delay the inevitable, you cannot stop it. I'll be back. Alright. Another one filled full. Yeah guys. One more to go. This is me on an average day guys. I normally just work at home. For those who know, those who don't, you know, it's not like I don't have time to go anywhere, or it's not like I don't indulge or, you know, party, or it's not like I don't, you know, go anywhere, put it like that. I do go out guys, but I choose to spend time with loved ones, my family, my friends, and friend of the family. Yeah, man. For me, I take life very, very simple, guys. Yeah, man. We're getting there. We're getting there. As I was saying, guys, I take life very, very simple. Due to how I take life simple, it has come to my knowledge that, you know, you will always get misunderstood. It's natural. But say all of that for say this, guys. I'm about positive energy. And as a man of my stature, put it like that. Yeah, man. 'Cause we ain't wealthy, guys. Yeah, man. So a man of my stature, the only thing I have is my word. And I try my best. I do my best. At most, well, at all of the time, most of the time, put it that way, guys. I try my best. Yeah, man. And this is a live feed. So it's not planned and I'm not perfect. But I'm telling you guys, it is very easy to be get misunderstood. And as I'm saying, a man of my stature, I try my best to live by my words. It's the most valuable thing that I have. So if I take the time out to be truthful to you, and you see me otherwise, what can I do? I can only leave it to the Most High. Yeah, man. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not always in a calm state. Yeah, man. I do get angry, just like any normal human being. But I know this much. There are quite a few persons that look up to me, including my little daughter. And to be honest with y'all, I don't think it's right to let down my little girl or anyone. Yeah, man, we're not here about that. As I said, I'm about love and love alone. Positive energy all the way. Yeah, man. But we're right and whistle. So appreciate all y'all who come on yard. Yeah, man. Today we're up and thankful, you know. As I always say, once you have life, you have everything. Trust me. Yeah, man. Things might be a bit rough around the edges, but trust me, the Father always provide you with a little piece of sandpaper. Sometimes it's very small, as small as this here piece of paper. And sometimes the sharp or the rough edges that you have to rub, they seem so hard to rub down. But believe me, start rubbing, man. Trust the process, because the Father have you 100%. And this is not a spiritual life, no, guys. I'm just telling you from a down to earth perspective. And the reason why I'm sharing stuff like this is because I know, when I say I know what it's like to face really, really tough times. Yeah, man. And when I say tough times, you face so much tough times, that's when the good times come around. It's like you can't even see. Trust me. Break the negative barrier. Be your brother's keeper. Be your sister's keeper. Be honest with yourself. Be honest to others. Yeah, man. What's so hard in that? And I'm gonna tell you guys, when you start being honest to yourself, when you start being honest to others, trust me, it will set you way, 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 way back. The crowd will move and all that take place, and it seems as if you're stuck in this one spot. But believe me, man, God got you covered. believe. Yeah, man. Even in the darkest times. So, as I say, take out your sandpaper and start rubbing them rough edges. Yeah, man. Anyway, with the yard there tractor, I'm gonna feel hungry, guys. So I'm gonna get something in the tummy. Yeah, man. Let me see if we can pull the box and show you. We ain't cooking today, you know. We pre-eating. So we hot up some food. Yeah, man. There is a Chinese restaurant in Yallas Bay, St. Thomas. Yeah, man. Them guys are come on, you know. Yeah, man. They might take them little time when I come on, you know. But this is their handiwork, as y'all can see. Yeah, man. It's a buzz. Trust me. It is a buzz. Some folks like, some don't. Yeah, man. For me, they coming on. Yeah, man. So, you know where something go. You have to give them props, man. A little Chinese, St. Thomas, Jamaica. It's a buzz. It is a buzz. One at a time, though. This is something that I wanna lobby for, guys. St. Thomas needs Subway. We need Wendy's, and we need what else? What else, guys? Put in the comment section. What else we miss out? Yeah, man. But we need Subway, and we need Wendy's, most naturally. Yeah, man. And Popeyes. Oh Lord, don't bash me, guys. Don't bash me. Popeyes. We need St. Thomas need Popeyes. We have KFC. A special shout out to all you guys out there working here in St. Thomas. Yeah, man. At the KFC branch in Marant Bay. Yeah, man. Keep getting up. Keep getting about. Keep getting out there and keep doing the right thing. Yeah, man. I love alone. And y'all know the energy come down. I did 2 visits. Yeah, man. So, in the future, I'm gonna get my daughter and we'll pop by and, chow down on some of the chicken. Anyway, I top the food, guys. You see? I'm not that much of a talkative person, and y'all have me like forget to out my food to eat. Right now whistle. Right and whistle, guys. Right and whistle. Right and whistle. It is such fun to see, such fun to see. Satan lose. From a tender age, guys, my mom always tell me, she always said this to me. I was that type of kid that, daylight, as me say, as daylight we're gone. Once we get the opportunity to touch the road, we're gone. Oh, yeah, man, put my shirt on. I just explained that earlier on, Yeah, man, we live in a tropical climatic zone, as you can see, we experience a little drought, extra sun. So the time is very, very hot. Yeah, man. And we basically up on the farm, so you know where something go. We just a zero in, so my apologies if you don't like to see me without a shirt. You have to go check out another video. Can't say no better. Yeah, man, but overall, we have to do what we have to do. Yeah, man, so this is yard as is, no preservative, no additive, all natural. Yeah, man. So if you want to live like a Jamaican for a few, when you get home, you just pop your shirt off, man. Soak up some of the country breeze. I wish y'all could see what's taking place outside. It's magnificent, trust me. Yeah, man. Jarworks, Jarworks, guys, Jarworks. There is something that I've been meaning to say to you all. I don't want you all to feel like I am immune to anything that is taking place on the island. Yeah, man. As I said from before, I'm just a regular Jamaican. An average dude. Yeah, man. Trying to make it for friends, family, and loved ones. And do right by my country. That is it. So I know that things is a bit rough around the edges, guys, but I believe that change starts from within. So the change starts from you and I. That is if you're willing to do the right thing. Yeah, man. For years I've listened to, stone and throw left and stone and throw right. Come on, man. Let's take them stones and build a wall for Jamaica. unbreakable wall. Something where them can't climb. Yeah, guys. But this is just me speaking, for the top of the brain. I appreciate the changes that I've seen so far. Yeah, man. I do appreciate the changes, guys. Things still tough. When the tough, like I say, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. You see? For those who don't know, they say self-praise is no recommendation, guys. But if I don't tell you, who will? If I don't tell you all, who will? I'm a very loving dude. As I always say, I love animals. Yeah, man. I'm more of an outdoor person. Love the environment. I enjoy planting in my spare time. Yeah, guys. So that's the reason why y'all see me up and about and messing around the farm. Or messing around planting peppers, carrot, what else? Pineapple, mango trees, jelly trees, and the list goes on, guys. The list goes on. I'm a driver by profession, guys. So once I'm not driving, I'm at home getting rest. So I'm not resting, I'm on the farm. Well, basically in the garden. And it's been a while now since I've done any work in the garden, guys, because I've been, taking life a bit easy. Yeah, man. As I say, it's a bit rough around the edges, but we're not complaining. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Ever so often, I'd say the most he tends to, take the wheel. And when he's driving, all I do is just sit back and watch him. Trust me. There is someone that I really want to give a special shout out to. There's a young man from Trinityville, St. Thomas. I've mentioned his name quite a few times, but I didn't really tell you all the history. So I'm gonna give you a piece of it. There are some young men out here. They are God's son. Say all of that to say this. Anyway, a few years back, I met in a little dilemma. Yeah, guys. And at the time, I believe I could have, run back home to grandma, run back home to mommy, or run back home to dad. But I didn't. So I was homeless, guys. Yes. I was like, I basically have a roof over my head today, and then like 2 days after that, homeless. No one going into details there, so that I want next whole different vlog. Yeah, man, I have a whole different life feed. But anyway, Damien, yeah, man, God fearing you. Believe me, guys. He was the one who stepped in and said, bro, hear what I'm saying, man. You're not homeless, bro. My home is your home. Yeah, guys. And just like that, my friend become my brother. The reason why I say my friend become my brother, throughout the time that I had to live under Damien's roof, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, guys, I was in a very, very rough state, a very rough spot. And I'm gonna be honest with you all, Damien was like, the man, words just can't explain. He was there, guys. he was there. Yeah, man. When a brother needed him the most. And trust me, sometimes your family might not be there to give you a little blessings. But don't bash them, man. Because the love that they have for you, even if they don't show you the love that they have for you, just hear me out. Some way, somehow, God just placed that love within someone else, and that person will show you how much you were, or someone. Yeah, man, but we can tell him. I'm not so good at story, guys, but I'm gonna tell you. God bless Damien, his family, his friends, his siblings, his everything. He's the ground when walk on. Believe me. Yeah, man. And it's not just because of the thing that he did. In terms of, putting me up, guys. Is the fact we say, as we speak just now, I can say, if I am willing, if I am ready right now to go home, I can say yes, I live somewhere. All courtesy of my bro. Big up yourself, dear. Yeah, man. You have to see with me now, guys. If you all just see with me for a few. Most of my stories, I don't really share them now, guys. Because, as I say, I'm a very loving person. And I'm very passionate when it comes to love. And some people that are in my life, I tell you, man, words just can't explain how great they are. I have a mommy like no other. Hey, yeah, guys. I respect my mom, respect my dad. So respect goes where respect comes from. I love my dear sisters and I love my brothers. Probably you might know them, probably you might not. Probably you might say, yeah, bro, you alone love them like that. Them don't love you that much. But I'm gonna tell you this. In regards to my love, when I tell you that I love you, when I tell you that I like you, when I tell you that you are dear to me, I'm being true to myself and I'm being true to you. If you don't return that love, I have nothing against you. I'm just contented that that love grow within me. And I'll keep on showing that. And as I said from before, I have broken days, I have down days. Yeah, guys. So I'm not always this cheerful. Yeah, man, but you know, a lot of love keeping me going. Put it that way. A lot of love keeping me going, guys. Oh, let's see. Goes. Another thing, guys. I have friends that, well, not friends, associates that says that they judge me based on my face expression or the way I look, and they say that I have life easy. If I tell you all half of the story, you see, guys, you wouldn't even believe it. Trust me. The reason why I am like this, the reason why I am so calm spirited, I was hyperactive, I was aggressive at one point in time. And then that day, yeah, man, that day when that energy changed, trust me, put it this way, in layman terms, if I could say it like this, I can. I'll put it like this, guys. It's not exactly what, well, like that, but I'm gonna say it like this. I got a visit from a positive side. Yeah, man. A life, and from that, oh Lord, my energy changed, guys. Trust me. Yeah, man. It's like, you're in the dark and eventually you see the light. So the rest of history from there. I'd say the only thing I can say to you all is get to know the Most High for yourself. Get to know God for yourself. Yeah, man. That's it. Can't help it with no more, guys. Yeah, guys, some fried rice and sweet and sour chicken. No ramens today. Once I get the opportunity, guys, I'm always giving thanks to life. As I said from before, most of the times I get misunderstood. So instead of putting myself in such a spot, I rather to stay home. A very few persons can be truthful to themselves, more or less to be truthful in front of the camera. Yeah, man. So you know the energy they come down. It's not everybody from the camera. So it's best I stay home with my camera. Put it like that. Yeah, man. So today is just a normal day for me, guys. Just coming from work and putting together something to catch up the stomach. Yeah, man. I always tell myself that I would enjoy doing videos like this, knowingly this is the only way you all will get to know me way more. Yeah, man. So on or off camera, this is who I am. Just a loving dude. As I said, I always get misunderstood, but it is what it is. It's life. When you learn to love as deeply as me, as strong as I am, well, as strong as me, you learn to keep yourself to yourself. Can't say no better, guys. Yeah, man. Cheers to the syrup. I'm always giving thanks, guys. Always. I'm coming from days with nothing. Despite, growing up having everything. I can strongly remember days sitting down and seeing, passers by coming by the house and listening to their complain of things that they need, things that they're short of, and my grandma would be helping and other family members would be putting together and getting help for them, and growing under that energy, it actually helps to mold you to be a better man, to be honest. Yeah, man. So from a tender age, I decided that I needed my own, despite living in my, 4 parents' place. Yeah, man. Well, a blessing, call it that. Yeah, man. Rest in peace, Grandpa. Yeah, man. But just to say, guys, you have to learn to appreciate the simple things in life. Appreciate everything from you get up and you have life. Just go all in. Trust me. There is so much that I'd love to share with you all, but I'm gonna be all over the place with my topics, guys. All over the place. Ever so often y'all are gonna have days like this when you just a normal out. Yeah man. And new vlogs coming soon guys. I have a vlog coming tomorrow. It's gonna be published tomorrow. Yeah man, I believe it's tomorrow. Don't bash me now guys if I miss. Nah I miss man. You'll have new vlogs coming guys. What happened now? My device, it keeps running out of charge real fast, and I would say negligence. I have it for quite some time now, so you know, at some point in time, it's gonna drop. So I dropped it. You know, it's been on and off, and I have to try my best to keep it, you know, in working condition. So I'm able to do these, and you know, do my little clips, but I rather do the lives more. Yeah. Live feed a little bit better than for, you know, a maneuver. Due to the fact that the phone has it, as they say, who that the battery run down guys. Yeah man, so that's one of the main reasons why I do the live feeds more often. And I'm running out of charge right now. But you know, we have to do what we have to do. Normally I'd plug in y'all on the charger, but whenever the phone is this hot, you know, you won't take charge. It is such fun to see, such fun to see. Sit and lose. Ah, da, 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 da. Alright guys, we're drawing close to that moment. We're coming to an end soon. Yeah man. Right. Hey guys, it's that time again. It's that time again. Yeah man. Yardman J up and out. Yeah guys, I do appreciate all y'all that pop by. I appreciate the support. Yeah man, you know the energy come down. As I always say, it's a lots and lots and lots of love and love alone guys. Yeah man. Remember now, keep getting up. Keep getting up, getting out there. You know the right thing though. Keep doing the right thing. Anyway, come on yard. What good.